Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Asato ma sadgamaya tamasho ma jyotirgamaya mruchyorma amritangamaya Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Santihi Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha. Slowly deep breathe, inhale, exhale. Slowly deep breathe, inhale, exhale. Relax, open your eyes.
Now we switch on to neck movement in standing position. Now please stand. Now place your both hands on your hip. Stand erect. Close your eyes. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Inhale. Bring your head up, stretching backwards. Be aware of your neck bones. Repeat it for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now the next movement is neck rotation movement. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Rotate your head from right side to the halfway. Inhale. Complete the rotation, bringing to the normal position. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now we do it anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start wrist rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist clockwise. Repeat this for 4 times. Now, do the same in anti-clockwise for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now we start elbow bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Your palms should face upwards. Exhale. Place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Inhale, release. Now we do it for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Put your hands down. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now we start shoulder rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Face your palms upwards. Exhale. Place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Join your elbows. Inhale. Rotate your elbow clockwise to the halfway. Now exhale. Bring them to normal position. Now we repeat this 3 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now we do the same in anti-clockwise. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Put your hands down. Now relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Please sit down. Now we move on to butterfly movement. The next movement is butterfly movement, Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Come to Samasthiti. Join both legs together. Now bend the knees and bring both feet close to your pelvis with your hands. I repeat, bend the knees and bring both feet close to your pelvis with your hands. Now exhale. Bring both your knees upwards as much as you can. Inhale. Bring both your knees downwards, touching the ground. Now repeat this for 10 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Now stretch out your legs slowly. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Dandasana. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we switch over to spinal movements. Spinal movements help us in many ways. This movement massages abdominal organs. It melts cholesterol in the stomach. It helps in weight loss. It also helps and increase body flexibility. The first one is boat rowing, Dandasana. Stretch your legs out and join them. Stretch your hands out forward to your shoulder level and fold your fingers. Now exhale. Bring your upper body forward. Inhale. Bring your upper body backward. Do it like rowing a boat. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. It should be like rowing a boat. Exhale. Inhale. When you come forward, it is exhale. When you go backwards, it's inhale. Do the same in anti-clockwise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Dandasana. Now slowly inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now we move on to the next movement, Chakki Chalan, Samasthiti. Bring your both legs together. Now leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Bring both your hands out and interlock both the palms. Now, inhale, rotate your hands in a clockwise direction, bending your body backwards to the halfway. Exhale, rotate your hands to complete the rotation, bending your body forward. Now do it for 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Don't bend your legs and touch your toes while rotating. Remember, you should not bend your legs, and while rotating, you should touch your toes. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Now do it in anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Dandasana. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we move on to the next one, spinal twisting movement. The next one is spinal twisting movement. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Now leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Stretch your hands sideways to your shoulder level. Now exhale, turn your body to your right side, touching your right toes. Inhale, come to normal position. Exhale, turn your body to the left side, touching your left palm. Inhale, come to the normal position. Now repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, turn right side, touch your toes. Inhale, come to normal position. Exhale, turn left side, touch your palms. Inhale, come to normal position. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Relax. Dandasana. Slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Samasthiti. Let's start Vajrasana. Let us see the benefits of this Vajrasana. This asana improves digestion, and with regular practice, it eliminates constipation. Now let's see the technique of this Vajrasana. Sit in Dandasana. Exhale as you sit back on your legs. Put your hands on your thighs. Put your hands on your thighs, sit erect and close your eyes. Breathe in and out slowly as you position yourself to sit up straight. And relax. Now we switch over to the next asana, which is also called Shashankasana. This is also called rabbit pose. Now see the advantages of this rabbit pose. The abdominal organs and muscles are strengthened. The digestive power is also boosted. The face and brain will get augmented flow of blood. Now let us see the technique of this Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Straighten the back. Inhale and exhale slowly by raising the arms, keeping them straight. Now exhale and bend forward. The arms, trunk and head should remain in one line. The arms, head and trunk should remain in one line. The forehead and arms should rest on the floor in front of the knees. Relax the whole body. Inhale and exhale slowly. Relax. Now let us switch over to the next one, Ustrasana. This is also called camel pose. Now let's see the benefit of this Ustrasana. It improves digestion, stretches and opens the front of the body. It also strengthens the back and shoulders, relieves the body of lower back ache, improves flexibility of the spine and also improves posture, helps overcome menstrual discomfort. Let us look at the technique of this Ustrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Your knees should be in line with the shoulders and the sole of your feet should be facing the ceiling. As you inhale, draw your hands onto your back and bend backwards and stay put for some time. Bend backwards and stay put for some time. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana.
Stand on knees, start here. Sit in Vajrasana, stand on knees.
And stand on your knees. Now, stretch your hands outside. Bring your left hand holding your left ankle and raise your right hand and look upwards. Relax. Now, bring your right hand back holding your right ankle and raise your left hand upwards and look upwards. Relax. Sit Vajrasana. Now stand on knees. Stretch both your hands forward and bring both your hands backward, holding both the ankles and bend backwards. Relax. Hands down. Sit Vajrasana. Relax. Now switch over to the next one, Marjalasana. Let's see the benefits of this Marjalasana. It stretches the back, torso and neck. It provides a gentle massage to the spine and belly organs. Now let's see the technique of this Marjalasana. First, sit in Vajrasana. Form the tabletop position. Align the knees directly below your hips. Exhale, round the spine toward the roof. Inhale, now inhale and bring your spine downward and raise your head. Repeat the postures like inhaling and exhaling. While you raise your head upwards, bring your spine downwards. Now exhale. Now inhale and bring your spine downward and raise your head. Relax. Sit Vajrasana. Now stretch your legs out. And bring yourself to Dandasana.
Inhale, exhale.
Inhale and exhale.
Relax.
Relax. Now please stand. Now standing postures. The first one is Samakonasanam. Stand erect. Leave a foot gap between your feet. Now inhale. Slowly raise your hands up completely. Exhale. Bend your body downwards slowly and bend your palms downwards. Make sure the body and hands come in a straight line. Inhale. Now straighten your body up. Exhale. Bring your hands down. Now inhale. Slowly raise your hands up completely. Exhale. Bend your body downwards slowly and bend your palms downwards. Make sure the body and hands come in a straight line. Inhale. Now straighten your body up. Exhale. Bring your hands down. Relax. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we move on to the next one, Dvikonasanam. Bring your both hands to your back and interlock your palms. Palms should face downwards. Now exhale. Bend your body forward and raise your palms upward. Inhale, straighten your body up. And bring your palms down. Palms should face downwards. Now, exhale. Bend your body forward and raise your palms upward. Inhale, straighten your body up. And bring your palms down. Relax. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Next we move on to Trikonasana. Join your both legs together. Leave 3 feet gap between your legs. Stretch your hands sideways to your shoulder level. Now, exhale. Bend your body to your right side, touching the ground with your palm, and look upwards. Inhale, come to the normal position. Now exhale, bend your body to your left side, touching the ground with your palm, and look upwards. Inhale, come to normal position. Now we repeat this for 2 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Dandasana. Now slowly inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Now leave 3 feet gap between your legs. This movement is called Parsva Konasanam. Stretch your hands sideways to your shoulder level. Now, turn your right foot to the right side. Exhale, bend your body to the right side, touching your right foot. Remember, don't bend your knees. Inhale, look upwards. Inhale, come to normal position. Now we do it on left side also. Exhale, turn your left foot to the left side. Exhale, bend your body to the left side, touching your left foot. Remember, don't bend your knees. Now look upwards. Inhale, come to normal position. Now we repeat this for 2 times. Bend your body. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, relax, come to Dandasana. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti. Sit down. Kapalabhati is also known as skull shining breath. Kapala means skull and Bhati means light. The emphasis is on the exhalation through strong, fast abdominal contractions, and so has a cleansing effect on the breathing pathways. Now let us see the benefits of this Kapalabhati. It improves circulation, especially to the brain, which gives the skull shining effect, energizing the mind and waking up your system. Kapalabhati also creates heat and increases and stimulates the digestive fire, which is also called Agni, by strengthening, massaging and toning the abdominal muscles and digestive system. Let us see the Kapalabhati technique. The inhale follows naturally after the strong exhale. Relax. Now slowly inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now let us repeat this Kapalabhati one more time. The inhale follows naturally after the strong exhale. Relax. Slowly inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let us move on to the next one, Bhramari Pranayama. It is also known as humming bee breath. Let us see the benefits of this posture. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It also helps elevating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. Now, sit in a comfortable meditation asana. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. Put your index fingers in both of your ears and start listening to the humming sound within your body. The humming sound should be smooth, even, and continuous for the duration of the exhalation.
Relax. Prayer. Namaskar Mudra. ओम सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ओम सर्वेषां शांति भवतु। ओम सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम नमः। ओम नमः। అందరికీ నమస్కారం.